Welcome to JH. I started taking Ago Premium Maca because I wanted a natural way to support my energy, stamina, and overall balance. Mostly because my previous strategy of relying on sheer willpower and excessive caffeine was failing miserably. What stood out first is how incredibly easy it is to fit into a routine. With just 2 capsules a day, I get a heavy dose of maca root paired with supportive herbs like ashwagandha, Panax ginseng, and black pepper extract to help with absorption. It's a thoughtful blend that feels powerful without making me feel like I'm vibrating out of my own skin. After staying consistent, I noticed much more steady energy throughout the day and better endurance during my workouts, which finally made my training feel productive instead of just a slow descent into exhaustion. Another thing I appreciate about Agobi Premium Maca is that it feels clean and natural with no harsh side effects, which is a refreshing change from supplements that usually make your heart race like you're being chased by a predator. It also seems to support mood and focus, making a noticeable difference in how I handle daily life. I love that it's made with high-potency plant-based ingredients and comes in vegan capsules, so it feels trustworthy enough for even the most skeptical wellness guru. Overall, this has been a simple and effective way to boost vitality and strength. It has earned a permanent spot in my wellness routine because it actually delivers steady results I can feel, unlike those magic crystals I almost bought off the internet. It turns out that a little bit of science and some well-chosen herbs really do go a long way in keeping you balanced.